Meaning of GP Captain.
GP Captain.
GP Captain.
GP Captain.
GP Captain. GP Captain is an abbreviation for Group Captain. It is a senior commissioned rank in the Royal Air Force, RAF, and some other Commonwealth Air Forces. A Group Captain ranks above a wing commander and below an air commodore. In the RAF, a Group Captain typically commands a large operational or support unit. Additionally, they may hold staff appointments at various levels of the organization. In summary, GP Captain is a high-ranking officer in the RAF responsible for leading and commanding significant operational or support units.